Careful, careful, careful. You okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I got it on camera. That seems gross.
I've never seen anything like this.
This is climate change. Crazy.
Have you seen it like this before?
No. Well, I've never been out in it.
You guys get stuck?
A very dangerous situation starting here in New York City during the morning commute. Very heavy rainfall happening. These are rainfall rates well and exceeding 2 inches per hour. When you look at rainfall and you hear about the possibility of flooding, often totals are thrown around, but really it's the rainfall rate. When you have this much water falling this quickly, it can overwhelm the systems that move this water away. Unfortunately, that can cause catastrophic problems, not only for roads that become inundated, but also, unfortunately, garden level apartments. Those apartments that sit below the city street, we've seen it time and time again. Unfortunately, people drowning in their own apartments as the water quickly rises. This is something that people here in the New York City area really need to be aware of. This is what happens when you have 2 inch per hour rainfall rates. It just overwhelms the drainage system, and that's what's happening here in Brooklyn and throughout the New York City metro area. Low-lying areas, they are most vulnerable. You can see several inches of water building up in this intersection, and it's getting to that point where cars could be getting stranded and stuck in water this deep, especially if they try to make it through faster than this. Did you drown it?
I think so.
I'm gonna help you push. Here, I'm gonna get you from the back. Here, steer to the left. What do you think about all this, dude?
This is crazy. I didn't even see it.
You guys get stuck? Here, let's see if we can push it up.
Okay.
All right. Put it in neutral. There you go. Yep. And just steer. Yeah, steer towards the right so we can get behind that Volvo, okay? And just kind of clear the street. What do you think about this?
This is so cool. It's the first time dealing with this.
Yeah. Let him go past.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll let him go past because then we're going to have more room to steer, you know what I mean? You're good. Just didn't expect it to be that deep?
Huh?
Didn't expect it to be that deep?
Nah, not this deep, man. I opened the door and I was like, holy shit, it's to my knees.
So this is what makes this so dangerous here in New York City. These garden level apartments that sit below the city street. It's like a waterfall, and you can see how high it is up on these doors. That has caused deadly situations here in Brooklyn and in Queens, in Manhattan, in the Bronx, numerous storms in the past. This is very dangerous. Is it getting into your building now?
It's hitting our basement windows, but which is terrifying, but thankfully it's not flooding yet.
Yeah, I look across the street, it's like a waterfall going into that basement.
I know. I'm like, our basement has flooded a lot before, so we're like, we have all the things set up, but you know.
Did you expect this today to happen?
No, no. I mean, I know we've had rain, but
I've never seen anything like this. No.
Did you expect this with this storm? Did you hear anything about this before this happened?
I mean, it rained so much last weekend. I feel like we had like a little bit of a break.
Yeah.
So I wasn't really watching the weather. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to rain so much again.
That seems gross.
it's gross. But you know, at least it's just leaves and not diapers in our.
That we know of.
That we know of. I do see a pacifier in there, but you know, at least it's rainwater.
Yeah.
I think.
Well, kind of, yeah.
This might be a combination.
I wear-
Do a thorough cleansing after this.
Yeah, get a good shower for sure. Are you having any luck?
I don't know. I mean, those two drains, you can see where the water's going,
Yeah.
but these two, there's nothing going.
Bless your heart for trying for these folks, because they're just...
Well, we live in that house.
Oh, okay. Is your basement already flooding, I'm assuming?
Luckily, we don't have a basement, but I imagine that everybody else is.
Yeah, it's bad throughout here, like
Yeah, it's
throughout
crazy.
town. Yeah, have you seen it like this before?
It has happened before, but not that it lasts for this long.
Really?
Yeah.
And is that usually like from a tropical storm or something? Like this is just...
Usually a tropical storm or just like crazy rain, but it doesn't normally last this long.
Another storm has set up, and it is just training over Long Island here, creating just this kind of chaos. Streams leaving their banks, closing highways, blocking roads like this. It's just rushing through. It's also really windy with this storm, and cars are getting stranded.
Coming in from the street, the sewer can't handle it.
Yeah, and so it's coming in underneath the door,
Exactly.
into your office here.
In the office, exactly.
So you're just, I see you're kind of lifted everything up off.
Yeah,
the,
trying to.
There it goes again.
There it goes again, yeah. But never seen it like this in years. Been here a long time. First time I seen it like this.
I mean, you literally have like wake coming in.
Oh yeah, it's like, yes, yeah, definitely, yeah. Water's coming up, look at it. Cars are getting stuck, traffic.
Yeah, I mean, it'll be.
It's a nightmare, it's pretty bad.
How many cars are stuck?
We already pushed 6.
6 cars?
They got stuck here. We pushed them to our street. They all parking in the right because don't start.
What happened? Just didn't think it was that deep, or?
No, I was doing all right, and then somebody came with a big wave, caught the drift, died.
Good job, guys. Getting out of the thing.
Here's like the 7th car that we push.
You'll be driving over here.
I didn't even realize that.
It is bad.
What do I do? I don't know.
Keep getting, if you want to see, you can in it with push. Get it out.
So neutral? Perfect. Keep it like that. We're just gonna push you that way, okay?
So just kind of steer like you're backing up, okay? So these guys live here in the neighborhood. They say they've pushed over half a dozen cars. They have another one they're pushing here. They got to push that one, that one. They continually are stopping cars, like in all directions. Like, don't come here. Don't drive this way. Clearly, there's a lot of water here, but people just try to get from point A to point B.
I was trying to get a pump over at 5 Star, and it's just, they're like, oh, we're sold out.
Because you're trying to pump out your basement?
Yep.
How much water do you have down there?
Good amount. Too much.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah, I
more
mean,
than
anything, yeah.
It should be.
Now, did this catch you off guard? Did you realize that this kind of rain was coming today ahead of time? Or was it just like you heard about the rain and then...
They say flood warnings, and you're like, you never know. So yeah, here comes another brave soul.
You want me to shut your door here?
Well, yeah.
At least that way, if they come, you don't get the water inside of it. Wow.
Yeah, so I thought I was gonna make it.
I don't need to go to the gym.
I was just about to say, you guys don't need to go to the gym for your workout today.
Oh my God.
So what is that, 7, 8 cars?
8.
8?
That's number 8.
And you got 9
We're
here?
going for number 9. We're going for number 10. And we wait for somebody else to get stuck.
Did you take a day off from work?
I was working on my house.
Oh, really?
I just do a little, you know.
Yeah, work from home?
And I got to bring him to Fight Town, and I said, no, he's got to wait. I can't go Fight Town right now.
So when you just look out your window and you see this water coming up?
I bring all my tools in the van. That's my white van over there.
Oh, okay.
And my wife just came from Fight Town.
Yeah.
She says it's a nightmare over there right now.
Everywhere?
Everywhere. Yeah.
And so you're just here trying to help out as many as you can?
Yeah, you know. That's our neighbor stuff.
I love it.
Yeah.
Chris, do you have AAA?
I hope so.
Careful, Chris. I don't know, man. She's panicked.
Nope.
She's done. She got over. Yeah.
He's done. She can turn to the right.
I think once you stop, that's it.
Well, don't go that fast either.
Huh?
This Audi was a perfect example of panic. You could just see it on her face when she was driving by, obviously way too fast through this water, that she was just freaked out and then lost momentum. Water washed over her hood and she's done for. They're gonna come back and they'll help push you out.
Thank you.
Yeah, you just looked like you were
I was in a rush because I need to get to work. That's why I was like, I gotta just get through it. It's fine. I called them and I said, you know, it's not happening right now.
I'm so sorry. I saw your face. It was just pure panic when you were driving through there.
I know, because I need to get this way.
Did you, the other roads, there was no other way around? Yeah, it's okay. Everything's fine. At least you're okay. They'll get here and they're going to kind of push you out of the water, okay?
Thank you.
Deep breaths. You're okay.
Thank you.
Is your car still running? No.
Good and usual. You gotta push.
So what they're going to do is if you put your car in neutral, there you go. So what they're going to do
It won't go in neutral.
I think is there an electron? There you go. It's in neutral. So they're gonna push you back, and so you need to steer like you're backing up, okay? So steer your car like you're literally, there you go. Yeah. Careful though, there's a car behind you, real quick. Put your, okay.
Another one.
I don't think it worked.
This bag don't work.
It didn't work, man.
No.
Oh my god.
This your car? Look at that. You just thought you could make it, or somebody you said was
Someone
behind?
was behind me. They was influenced me to go, go, go. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. We didn't make it.